Hello, I welcome to all to MG Government School English Medium Sri Madhupur. I am Ramakant Sharma, Principal. In today's lesson, we are going to start with the next part, adjectives. सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे कि adjectives क्या है. An adjective is a word that modifies or changes the meaning of noun or pronoun. एक ऐसा शब्द जो कि किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के शब्द को बदल देता है. आप यहाँ दो सेंटेंसेस देख रहे हैं. रीना इज अ गुड गर्ल, माई स्कूल इज द बेस्ट स्कूल. गुड गर्ल में गुड एडजेक्टिव का रोल कर रहा है जो कि नाउन गर्ल को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, उसका अर्थ बता रहा है, बदल रहा है. गुड गर्ल बता दिया. और स्कूल एक नाउन है और यहाँ द बेस्ट लगने का मतलब ये इसका मीनिंग जो है उसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. सो एन एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड दैट मॉडिफाइज और चेंजेस द मीनिंग ऑफ ए नाउन और प्रोनाउन. नाउ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स कैन बी बोथ. ये दो बातें हो सकती है एडजेक्टिव्स में, एट्रीब्यूटिव और डेस्क्रिप्टिव. एट्रीब्यूटिव मतलब दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट द क्वालिटी, जो एट्रीब्यूट बताए, क्वालिटी बताए. डेस्क्रिप्टिव का मतलब होता है जो उसके बारे में थोड़ा विस्तार से बताए हमें. आप यहाँ सेंटेंसेस में देख रहे हैं, एग्जांपल्स में देखिए. जयकांत इज एन इंटेलिजेंट चाइल्ड. इंटेलिजेंट इज एट्रीब्यूटिव वर्ड हियर. All her children are intelligent. This is the descriptive part. Most of them can also be modified by intensifiers. कुछ intensifiers होते हैं जैसे fairly, rather, quite, very. तो इस तरीके से भी हो सकते हैं. एक होता है most adjectives can also take comparative and superlative forms when used for degrees of comparison. यहाँ ये इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो हमने यहाँ पे देखी है. I request you to stop the video and write what is written on the screen for your future references. These are very useful, so don't miss the opportunity. Now proceed. Kinds of adjectives and their functions. हम ये एडजेक्टिव्स के प्रकार और उसके कार्यों के बारे में जानेंगे. The first type is attributive adjective. Attributive adjectives tells us about quality of a person or thing. They are placed after the determiners but before the noun which is the head of a phrase. ये किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु की क्वालिटी को बताते हैं. Attributive adjectives include those that are generally descriptive. जो descriptive होते हैं, that is assign qualities. For example, beautiful, intelligent, clear. और physical states of size, shape, age, color, temperature को भी ये बताते हैं. Now the comes proper adjectives. Proper adjectives telling about nationalities, geographical places, religions, holidays, dates, names, titles. Examples you can see here: Marwari food, Jaipur style, Hindu beliefs. यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि ये हमें religion, geographical places and the nationalities के बारे में भी हमें यहाँ पर बता रहे हैं. So adjectives, attributive adjectives and the proper adjectives. Characteristics of adjectives. Some can only be used in the attributive position. कुछ characters होते हैं, adjectives होते हैं जिनको हम attributive के रूप में भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं before a noun, adjunct or a noun. Look here in the example: a former tenant, an occasional food, hard worker, a big liar, a Hindu monk. Now you can see a former, occasional, hard, big and Hindu. These are the attributive. एडजेक्टिव्स, ये क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं हमें. सम एट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स और आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम नाउन्स, नाउन से भी लिए जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल में देखिए, ए लॉ स्कूल, ए फ्लावर पॉट, द वेदर फोरकास्ट, criminal law, an atomic scientist, per day, airmail. So all these are the attributive adjectives that are derived from nouns. Sequence of adjectives before nouns. Now we are going to discuss here the sentence pattern. Sentence patterns में हम यहाँ सबसे पहले देख रहे हैं, ये determiner है, then attributive, that can be descriptive adjectives, then noun adjuncts and then nouns. इसमें हम attributive में general descriptive qualities को देखेंगे, physical states को देखेंगे जो size, shape, age, color के बारे में बताएगी, and the proper adjectives जो nationalities और religions के बारे में बताएगी. Now look here, both the air conditioned, black, Swift VXI cars. यहां पर आप देखिए कि एक सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर में हमने जनरल क्वालिटी एयर कंडीशनड, फिजिकल स्टेट ब्लैक, प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव्स स्विफ्ट VXI एंड नाउन्स कार्स. अ ब्यूटीफुल फार्मिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट. नाउ जस्ट सी हियर, दोज 4 multi-purpose silver kitchen utensils, a steep muddy river bank, all those angry young women, a very large Hindu temple, her low-cut Rajasthani evening dress. These are the sequences we have discussed, and we place these sequences in the sentence in this manner. इसी तरीके से हम इसमें वाक्य को रख पाते हैं. वाक्य में ये डिटर्मिनर्स इसी तरीके से रखे जाते हैं. तो आप इसको एक बार और देखें, इसको समझें. सबसे पहले डिटर्मिनर्स आते हैं, फिर जो एट्रीब्यूटिव या डेस्क्रिप्टिव क्वालिटीज होती हैं उनको करते हैं, देन नाउन एडजेक्टिव्स को करते हैं और देन नाउन्स को करते हैं. अब प्रेडिकेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, such adjectives act as complements of verbs, as complements after linking verbs like be, seen, look, feel. ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट के रूप में काम करते हैं. Sheila looks happy this morning. Baby sheep is smooth and shiny. As object complement after verbs like believe, find, consider. Look here, for example, Deepa considers him the best musician. They found the place delightful. इस तरीके से हम इसमें कर सकते हैं. Now predicative adjectives. Predicative adjectives as complement to a subject which is finite class or non-finite class. Whether the male will come is unclear. Riding a motorcycle isn't as easy as you imagine. So look here, the word unclear and easy are the predicative adjectives. As object complements to clauses, most daughters consider their fathers as Superman. तो यहाँ Superman जो है, that is complement clause. Predicative adjectives. Some groups of adjectives can only be used in predicative positions. Example, health objectives. Hema felt faint. Saroj felt ill. So in this manner, these are the predicative adjectives. Now post-modifying adjectives. Adjectives in particular predicative adjectives are sometimes most post-modifiers. They follow the words they modify. Number 1, a reduced relative class. Now I have given here in brackets the relative class. Was there anything interesting in the class? Which was? यहाँ पर आएगा, the people involved were punished. The people who were involved were punished. As post modifiers in compounds. Now just see here, court martial and postmaster general. The marshal and general These are the post-modifying adjectives. Now, post-modifying adjectives, a large number of adjectives have the same form as ing or ed participles. Look here at the sentences. His ideas on religion are astonishing. Now, astonishing is a post-modifying adjective. Sarla seemed satisfied with my explanation. यहाँ पर satisfied जो ed को बता रहा है और astonishing ing को बता रहा है, तो ये post modifying adjectives हैं जो कि participle और ing के साथ में यूज किए जाते हैं. Such adjectives can also be attributive. His astonishing ideas. Now, astonishing is here as telling us about the quality of the ideas. What type of ideas are there? Astonishing ideas. So, these are the post-modifying adjectives. Now, adjectives as heads. Some adjectives can function as heads of noun phrases. Adjectives denoting a class or group of people. It is plural. Example में देखिए, the rich can afford to eat sweets every day. Now, जो rich है, the word rich is representing the whole class. The unemployed suffer most in times of pandemic. Unemployed is a class, not that a definite article precedes such adjectives. Adjectives denoting an abstract quality. Look here in the example. Many people study the supernatural in folklore. तो ये हमें एक abstract quality है. Supernatural is abstract quality है. तो इसके बारे में हम यहाँ पर discuss कर रहे हैं. So please note it down. Now, adjective patterns. There are three main types of adjective patterns. The first one is adjective plus prepositional phrases. The meaning of an adjective is often completed by the use of a prepositional phrase. Afraid of, angry with, pleased about. So just see here, prepositions are used here, of, with and about, and then adjective is also used here. So we call them adjective plus prepositional phrases. Usually, the preposition is fixed by an idiom, but there may be choice of preposition. For example, doctors must be accurate in his work. My mother say that milk is good for children. You are interested in yoga. Adjective plus that class. दूसरे प्रकार का जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, that class is used as a complement. Personal subjects. Examples में देखिए, are you sure that Sonal is honest? She is surprised that you are right. Not may other adjectives and participles take that class. जो हो सकते हैं वो नीचे मैंने डिस्कस किया है. देखिए, there is a long list: sure, glad, certain, confident, proud, sad, alarmed, annoyed, pleased, and shocked. We can use all these adjectives with the adjective plus that class, as I have given you in the example. Now you can make sentences in your own style, and this is very useful. So please note it down. Now, introducing it as the subject. Look here. It is said that he so ill. It's fortunate that he only took her mobile. Now, sad and fortunate are adjectives, and these are preceded by it. So, these are also indicating as subject. Adjective plus to infinitive. The adjectives used in this pattern are followed by a to infinitive. Some can be decomposed. Look here in the example. The house was difficult to find. It was difficult to find the house. It's easy to please father. She was careful not to step in the puddle. It's good to eat fresh apples. Now, the words in different color, difficult, easy, careful, good, ये टू इन्फिनेटिव ये वो एडजेक्टिव्स हैं जो कि टू इन्फिनेटिव के साथ में इस्तेमाल किए जा रहे हैं. Now, irregular comparison. There are some adjectives and we have discussed in the first part about the degrees, and these are the irregular comparisons here, and you have to note it down, and these are very useful for the examination point of time, per examination view. Now just see here, I'm reading it aloud for you: positive, comparative and superlative. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. The another form is far, further, farthest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. So please note it down and be careful in the use of adjectives. It is very interesting and very useful in order to polish our language in a very good manner. I hope you like this lesson very much. Thank you for watching, and please like and share.